Welcome to the ITC concept site for BMI Blackheath Hospital. As valued members of the ITC team, we want to take a couple of minutes to introduce you to the things that are really important to our client. BMI Blackheath Hospital is a private hospital in South East London run by the UK's largest provider of private healthcare. For this project, it is essential that you adhere to the following guidelines. As you'll be working in a hospital, infection control is paramount. All areas must be kept clean so germs cannot build up and be spread to others in the hospital. To make sure we achieve this, please make sure that your clothing is kept clean at all times. We also ask that cutting of materials is conducted outside and that dust extraction devices are fitted to all tools. To ensure we reduce the impact our work has on members of staff and patients, we ask that noise is kept to a minimum and that our client is notified of any noisy works in advance. We must be sure to communicate with the hospital facilities team to advise them in advance of access we may require to any areas within the hospital building. We must also ensure we adhere to the hospital's operational hours, which are between 9:30 a.m. and 9:30 p.m. This way we can keep disruption to a minimum. As expected on all sites, work areas must be kept clear of tools and materials, as well as ensuring all work areas are segregated by appropriate signage. And finally, the new fire alarm system must work correctly in detecting fire and warning staff and residents. The new system must be soak tested and run in tandem with the old one until it's been proven to remove the risk of failures and false alarms. So the 5 things to remember are: make sure everything is kept clean to stop germs spreading, limit noise where we can to minimise disruption, communicate with the hospital's facility team if we will be accessing areas within the hospital and do so in opening hours, make sure all work areas are segregated by signage and that work areas are kept clear of tools, ensure both the new and old fire alarm systems are working properly. Once again, welcome to the ITC team at the BMI Blackheath Hospital. We look forward to working with you on a safe and successful project.